Hello Ziz, and welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I'll be working with the Sculpting clay that I bought online from Amazon. I will definitely be linking that down below for you guys. I got these tools also years and years ago though, so I can't give you a link. I mean, I'll find something similar for you guys to use and link that down below. But yeah, it came with a bunch of varying tools that some I don't really need, so I definitely sorted through them and picked the ones that I feel like I would most likely use today, which I ended up only using a few of them, but yeah. And before we get into all of this, I just wanted to share with you my plans on what I'm making. So today I'll be making this animal clay bowl. It'll mostly be like kind of like for a candle holder or for her jewelry or trinkets or what have you. And so yeah, that's what we'll be doing today. And as you can see, I'm also going to be making some ornaments, but that's going to be a separate video. Alright, so on to the video. So as you can see, you get 1.75 pounds. I got this for around $24. I don't really know what the price is now because you know how the prices fluctuate on Amazon. But yeah, I really do like this clay a lot. I was gonna get like a bigger size pack, but I'm kind of actually glad I didn't because I honestly think this will be definitely enough for this project that I have, like these two projects I'm having. So yeah, it's more than enough. My initial findings though when touching this clay, it was soft, which was a great sigh of relief for me because the clay I've usually received, at least when I buy in store in Michael's, they'd be hard. And as you can see, I'm using this butter knife to cut up the piece for my clay. I actually use this for my book binding, but yeah, this is my art knife. And as you can see earlier, I was kind of struggling with how much to use, but yeah, this actually ended up being a pretty good amount. Also, I wanted to note that these come in actually sheets. I didn't know that, and I'm kind of wishing I did because then it would have been so much easier to knead it and like just do it in like pieces, I guess, of the sheets and whatnot. But this worked out too. It was fairly soft, like not too hard to work with. Alright, so here you see I'm rolling it up into a ball to get ready to kind of make a bowl shape. Like, I know there are several ways to do this. Like, you could do the coil method where you build from a base and then you round up coils and just keep going up and up and up and then just smooth them as you go. But as you can see, I'm a little bit impatient and I just wanted to get this, like, because I've been so excited about this and waiting to do this. So yeah, and I finally found a perfect day to do like a recording because I was finally gonna be alone in the house. So yeah. Alright, so a bit into this, I started to realize that it may be too short for what I want it to be. So I'm gonna do that coil method I was speaking about before. Alright, so to quickly explain over the coil method, basically what you want to do, you want to score the area that you're attaching the coil to, and you want to score the coil itself, like just so it have a better adhesive to each other. Also to prevent air bubbles, I think. I don't know if that's, like, I don't remember if that's for sure what it was for too. But I didn't really see the importance in that, I guess. This is the tool you would actually use to score it though. It's like this little rake tool. But anyways, so yeah, I don't know, I just like didn't really feel like up for it, and I just figured it wouldn't be as important. Just, I don't know, I don't really know if polymer clay explodes in kilns, but if there is an air bubble sometimes when you're baking clay in a kiln, it may explode or it may just detach or something or whatever have you. I've had that happen before to some things where it just detaches actually where I was scoring it from. It just wasn't strong enough sometimes. But yeah, I don't know. Oh, and to let you guys know, so basically what I'm doing right now, I'm basically making a wedge just so then I can kind of take in that clay just to make it like to slim it down, I guess, because it was a bit too stretched out. And basically for a little bit I'm going to be focusing on smoothing out those bumps around the whole bowl basically, and evening it out, and just adding clay to spots that may need some more added thickness. But yeah, this actually, it was longer footage. Like I'm pretty sure I spent almost an hour on this, but I'm shortening it for you guys because I would not do that to you. I really loved doing this little project just because I kind of got in the zone with it, and then I had like Animal Crossing themed winter music almost, kind of like, well, it's not even themed, it was Animal Christmas music or like winter music that they would play during the month, if you guys know what I'm talking about. The vibes were just, it was amazing. But anyways, I'm finally finishing up on smoothing this out. It's pretty much done. Now I'm actually going to be finally putting the little ears on, which I'm really excited about. I had a lot of a debate between when making the ears or putting them on and then shaping them, because I couldn't, because I didn't mention before, but I'm doing a hedgehog, but I don't know what kind of ears they got. Like, at first I thought it would be more rounded, and so that's why I started off with a more rounded shape, but then I was like, this looks too much like a bear or a bunny, and I was not having it, so I kind of ended up making them more pointy like, and then it looked too much like a fox, so I don't know. Also, I don't know if you guys can tell, but from the texture, as I'm working more with it, the clay started becoming more stickier, and then I just realized it was because the body heat from my hands, like, it was warming it so much that it was making it even more sticky. Yeah, and so in order to negate that, basically what I did was when I was working on the ornaments, I would turn the fan on in the room and also use water. Like, I would make sure I keep dousing my hands in water, basically, in cold water, pretty much. I had like this little bowl just so that I could keep my hands, I guess, at a cooler temp. It still would like leave like fingerprints, but at least it wasn't sticking as much anymore and also getting more gooey on me, you know? As you can see, I finally finished his little snout. It looks so cute. I made sure to make it just a little pointy, so yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Alright, so now I'm making the little baby legs. So basically, I decided to have him kind of flopping out, so like as if he like went oof and fell. So I thought that'd be kind of cute. Alright, so I was finally able to finish the front 2 legs. This actually took a lot longer than it looks. And here, I'm showing you before I put it in the oven, how it looks. So I made this makeshift little, like, turntable. In pottery class, we had one of ourselves, and I just needed something to prop him up on. But yeah, I put little indentations in his ears, and I put little, like, button nose on him, just to add, like, a little more effect other than just drawing it on, or painting it on. But yeah, that's how he looks all around. I also evened out the top end area, like the lid part, just because it was really uneven earlier. But yeah, I have like these little eyes I sculpted, and they're like little sleepy eyes. So I'm gonna be gluing that on after I bake it. Hopefully it'll work out well. I'm kind of actually nervous now that I'm thinking about it, but we'll see how that goes. Alright, so I'm going to start painting everything before I glue down the eyes on him. So I wasn't really sure what I wanted to go with because I saw a bunch of like Hedgehog bowls where they would paint it half like brown and then half of it would be like white or cream or something. But I just really, I don't know, I kind of felt weird about it because that's not really how a hedgehog looks in general. Like I guess I wanted it to be almost a little realistic, just a little bit. Although it did make my job a little bit harder because I had to do a lot of layering and a lot of painting, but I think I am really happy with the result at the end. I'm still really unsure. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think. Alright, so I'm pretty much done painting this little guy. What do you guys think? I kind of actually like it. I like how I made the little brush strokes to make it look like it's actually like little tiny fur and stuff like that. So, I don't know. And I love its cute little button nose. So, I don't know. I just think it's adorable. Okay, so on this little bit, I'm adding little lines and like kind of hair line thingies. I don't know how to describe what I'm trying to do, but I mean, you'll see right now. But yeah, like I just felt like the brown was very plain, so I kind of wanted to add it a little bit more, make it a little more cute, a little more funky. So yeah. Alrighty guys, so I'm just about done with this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have 2 more clay creations coming up for you guys. I'm just working on editing them. I'm so sorry. It's just, you know, the holidays. But I wanted to wish you guys a belated happy holidays and a happy new year. I hope all is well with you guys. Have a great day. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.